Jacksonville Beach is a big city meets kind of the country community. You have a really big blend of cultures around here. We got a big surfing community and skating community. We have big business guys who come down here and retire. So it's a pretty easygoing atmosphere. My name is Russell Sweeney with Sweeney Remodeling and Plumbing. We are in South Jacks Beach, plumbing a new construction custom home that's about 3,000 square foot. We're in a residential area where you're starting to see a bunch of teardowns and rebuilds because the area is growing up so quickly. Right now we're 3 or 4 blocks off the beach. If you were to walk over there, there'd be hundreds of people flocking on and off the beach all day long. Everything that we're using today is going to be HoldRite or EvoPEX. We're using the HoldRite bracket for all of our stub outs underneath our lavatories and water closets. And we'll use SharkBite females and male adapters for all of our mechanical fittings like shower valves and such. On this job, I'll need a drill, a paddle bit, a pair of cutters. That is all I'll need. It's pretty easy. There's no getting up and down ladders with fitting trays. There's no glue cans, which means no fumes. There's not a whole bunch of stuff that you have to carry up into the ceiling here, so it's pretty simple. The fitting cost I thought would end up running me more, but I use dramatically less fittings because of the fact that we're able to just bend the PEX wherever we really want to go. So I actually save on material costs, and it's probably cut my install time down about in half. It's been a huge gain. EvoPEX was brought to my attention. I was all for exploring other changes. After the first couple houses, it was very, very easy to make the total dive-in switch because EvoPEX allows me to either pick up more jobs or not have to struggle or fight to bring on new technicians to help keep the pace going. What we sell our clients, what we provide them is a full SharkBite system. Everything in the house is a SharkBite product up into the angle stops under the sinks. It's got a great warranty, so I can stand behind it. I can tell them that I am putting the leading product on the market in their home from start to finish.